Every time we create a new SwiftUI based project in Xcode, there is a standard SwiftUI source file with a default name, called ContentView. Most of the times, we want to replace this file and create a new one using a file name that we prefer. The most expected move for that would be to delete it and then create a new SwiftUI file from scratch. However, there is a faster way to replace the default ContentView, and here is how to do it. In Xcode editor, right-click or control-click on the ContentView extract, and in the context menu, choose Refactor and then Rename. All occurrences of the ContentView term will show up, and you have to make sure that everything is selected. Usually, the file name the comment is not, so make sure to click and select it as well. In the current state, the extract name can be edited, so type in the new name you desire. For instance, here I'm going to call it Main View. After that, press return or click on the rename button that you will find on the top right side in Xcode, and you are almost done. There is one remaining detail, and that is to update the previous extract name as well, as this is not replaced automatically. Just select it and type once again the new name. You are now ready to go. If you like this quick tip, then share it. Check out my YouTube channel for more videos, as well as my website for additional content. Thank you for watching.